If you want to make progress faster than everyone, the answer is not doing more things. It is doing fewer things with more focus. Most people do not lose because they are not talented. They lose because they keep switching paths. They start one goal, get bored, jump to another goal, watch another video, try another method, and then wonder why nothing is changing. At Research 10, we study popular videos on a topic so you do not have to spend hours watching everything yourself. We look for the repeated ideas, the useful patterns, and the takeaways that actually matter. And for this topic, the pattern is clear. Fast progress comes from focused action, quick learning, and staying consistent longer than most people. The first step is to pick one clear goal, not 5 goals, not 10 goals. One main goal. If you are trying to build a business, get in shape, learn a skill, fix your schedule, and start a new hobby all at the same time, your attention gets split. Progress speeds up when your energy has one direction. Second, stop jumping between paths. A lot of people are searching for the perfect plan, but many plans can work if you stay with them long enough. The problem is not always the plan. Sometimes the problem is that you quit the plan before it had enough time to work. Every time you switch paths, you restart from the bottom. Third, take action before you feel ready. Most people spend too much time preparing. They watch another tutorial, read another book, organize another document, and call it progress. But real progress starts when your behavior changes. If you learned something but did not act differently, you did not really learn it yet. Fourth, make daily progress, even if it is small. Small daily action beats occasional intensity. 1 page, 1 workout, 1 sales call, 1 paragraph, 1 practice session, 1 cleaned up task. These things look small, but they compound. The people who move faster are usually not doing magic. They are just showing up more often. Fifth, learn from mistakes quickly. Mistakes are not the enemy. Slow learning is the enemy. If something fails, ask, what did I learn? What should I change? What is the next test? The faster you turn mistakes into adjustments, the faster you improve. Sixth, track what is working. Do not rely only on feelings. Track your actions. Track your results. Track what gives you progress and what wastes your time. If you cannot see the pattern, you cannot improve the pattern. Seventh, remove distractions from your environment. Focus is not just willpower. Your environment matters. Put the phone away. Close the extra tabs. Stop trying to work in a place designed for distraction. If you want faster progress, protect your attention like it matters. Because it does. Eighth, copy proven methods from people ahead of you. You do not need to invent everything yourself. Find someone who already got the result you want. Study what they did. Copy the principle, not the personality. Then adjust it to your life. Ninth, get feedback early. Feedback shortens the learning curve. Do not wait 6 months to find out if something works. Test sooner. Ask sooner. Show your work sooner. Fast learners do not hide from feedback. They use it. 10th, stay consistent longer than most people. This is where most people fall off. They try something for a week, do not see results, and quit. But the biggest progress often comes after the boring part, after the excitement fades, after the beginner stage feels awkward, after most people already stopped. So if you want to make progress faster than everyone, do not try to do everything. Pick one goal. Take action daily. Learn fast. Remove distractions. Track what works. Get feedback. And stay on the path longer than most people are willing to stay. Because progress does not usually come from the perfect plan. It comes from focused action repeated long enough to become powerful. Main takeaway: fast progress comes from focus, action, feedback, and staying consistent longer than most people.